guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do an everyday makeup look that you can use every time you're going out of the house to buy something or to go to work. And since we're all required to wear our mask every day or whenever we're going out to protect ourselves and of course to protect the people around us. But before I teach you how to do that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos and also ring the bell so you get notified whenever I got a new video. So come on, let's do it. So we're gonna start off with the moisturizing our skin. So I'm going to use this one, aloe vera, soothing and moisturizing. So I'll just put some of it just to soften the skin. There you go. Always make sure that you will moisturize your skin before you put any makeup on it. So that's also protecting your skin from the makeup that you're going to put on it. So now that I have already put the moisturizer and it's already dry, I'm going to use the Sephora, this one, tinted moisturizer. So it's instead of using foundation, which is heavier on your skin, I prefer to use this one. It's lighter and it gives you a light coverage on your skin too. So I'm going to use the shade Linen, just a little bit on your skin, on your hand, and then pat it on your skin. The next thing that I'm going to do is put on some concealer. And this one, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and the shade is Sun Sable. So we'll just put a little on the eyes, on the under eye area. Okay, just to cover the dark circles, because I'm always sleeping late this past few months because of the K-drama. I'm sure all of you can relate to that. So, blend it. So blend the concealer. There you go. I have blended it well. I'm going to put some eyeshadow. So since we're going to emphasize more on the eyes, let's use an eye shade. So for this video, I'm going to use this one. This one, it's a little bit orangey, and it's from Wet n Wild. So I like this palette because it contains a lot of colors already that you can enjoy, or that you can also use for your everyday makeup look. The shades are really light and not that loud shade. So just dab a little and put it on your eyelid. Just dab and blend it well. There it goes. Okay, then we'll do the same thing on the other eye. Dab. Dab it. There you go. And blend. Make sure that it's even. The other eye shadow is the same with the other one. So blend it. Put a little more. This eyeshadow gives you a good pigment, so you don't have to put a lot. There you go. Then I'm going to use a pencil brush, like this one, to put the same shade under the eye. You just do it like you're putting an eyeliner. And I'm not going to draw it on the whole eye, just half of it. Blend. Make sure that the end of this one, the upper part and the lower part meets. There you go. And there it is. Just a little blending. Now, just to give a little sparkle And just to make the eyes look more alive, I'm going to use a flat brush, like this one. And I'm going to put some shimmery eyeshadow. I'm going to use this one, guys. This one. There. And pat it on the lower part of your eyelid. Pat. So just tap it and blend. Just to make sure that the color or the eyeshadow stick well on the skin of your eyelid. Just tap a little on the corner of your eye, just to give some light on it. There it is. A little more. Tap and blend. There it is. Now we're done. So since we're done with the eyeshadow, with the color, I'm going to use another brush, another flat brush, and I'm going to put another one. This. I'm going to use this flat brush. There it is, for highlight. So I'll just put a little highlight here. So for that shade, I'm actually using this one. I'm sure everybody knows this brand. And the shade is Splendid. There you go. It's actually a highlighter. So I'm just going to put a little on the top of the crease. There you go. And blend it well. There it goes. So now that we're done, I'm just going to highlight the eyes, or emphasize the eyes. So to put a highlight on the eyes to the lash line, I'm going to use this H&M Precision eye marker. That's it. I'm going to put all the photos or the products that I have used on this video on the description below. So let's put this one. I normally do half of lining the eye. I don't like the whole one. So let's just put a little eyeliner, a very thin line. There you go. And make sure that if you're going to use eyeliners like this, or any eyeliner like the pencil one, make sure that you draw it close, super close to the lash line, to make sure that it looks natural. So there it is, guys, done with the eyeliner. There you go. It's just half of the eyes. So now that we're done with the eyeliner, I'm going to put some mascara. And for the lashes, I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So what's nice with this one is that it really gives you that full lengthy eyelashes that you really want. You know, just to give yourself that dull eyes look. So make sure that if you do your makeup and you put your eyeliner, make sure that you put the mascara every time, because it makes your eyes look more awake and more alive. So when you put the mascara, you do like this, zigzag. Make sure that it's close to the root, like that. There. That is also to avoid clumping of the lashes. So when you apply it, you put it like this. Make sure that you capture all the hair, and then zigzag and pull up. That's how you do it. So with this mascara, all you have to do is just apply, and see, the lashes are already long and thick. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. There you go. Zigzag. So as you can see, the eyes or the lashes already look longer. There. It's just a mascara. It's benefiting from Benefit. So don't forget to put some on the bottom lash, so you could also make it look long and thick. Just a little. we're done with the eyeshadow, the lashes, and the eyeliner, I'm going to do the eyebrow. And for the eyebrow, we're going to use this H&M eyebrow pencil. It's called Brow Specialist. So this is the H&M's Brow Specialist, and the shade is Espresso Brown. So what's nice about this one is that it's double-ended. So there's a spoolie on the other end and pencil on the other side. So let's just brush the brows upwards, there, and then we'll draw an outline like this one. Make sure that you draw your outline really light, like that. There it goes, lightly, there, and do the same thing on the other side. So make sure that you don't draw your eyebrows too close to each other, so it won't make you look grumpy. So you can do it like this, measure like that, and then outline. Then after you do the outline, you just simply have to fill it in. So fill up the inside part or the inner part of the outline that you made. Make sure to do light strokes. There. So don't put a lot of the eyeliner close here, because it will make you like grumpy. So do it like this, very light. Just light strokes. And then after you do that, you just brush it with a spoolie to blend all the strokes that you made, to give your eyebrows a more natural look. There you go, guys. We're done drawing the eyebrows. Now, to make sure that the strands will last like standing or brushed up, whatever you call it, we're going to put some eyebrow mascara, and for that I'm going to use the H&M eyebrow protector, and the shade is Espresso Brown. So just tap it like that, and this, put a little, and stroke upwards, and counter. So you brush it backwards like that, and do the same thing on the other eyebrow. Upwards, make sure that you do the light stroke. Counter the strands there, and then brush it back very lightly. So brush it upwards like that to give you that feathered brow look, whatever. See? So it makes your eyebrows look full and thick. There it goes. So now that we're done, you can remove everything and fix your hair like that, and put your mask on. So fix your hair like this, and we're done. So guys, I hope you like this video and you learned something from it. And if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it to your friends so they can also learn something by doing the natural makeup look with the mask. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, see you on the next video. Bye!